Hi there, my PropCoach friends, and welcome to a new episode of the Prop Tip. And today we talk about the number one lead source that can get you 60% of your buyers. Yes, we talk about how do you actually get more buyers. And if you don't get a lot of buyers today, it's probably because you are not concentrated on this number one lead source. Now, I know that you are focusing a lot on internet leads. You're focusing a lot on the portals, on Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, LinkedIn marketing, everything that you can get online to get possibly more buyers. But if we look across the world where they've done a lot of research on how real estate agents get the most buyers, you're probably forgetting the number one lead source in getting those buyers. And let me tell you what this lead source is. It's actually your existing database or contact list and your referrals. Yes, it's that simple. Real estate is still all about relationship. You need to get a very big contact list, or what we these days call your database, or you have a great referral plan where everybody around you that you either worked with or in your close network knows that you are in the real estate business and that you help people buy and sell real estate. So let's concentrate a little bit on how do we actually build this contact list and how do we build this referral plan. First thing that you have to concentrate, of course, is that you want to build a contact list, that you have to build this contact list as big as possible. So this is not all with only the real estate that you're offering. This is actually where you start educating the market. You're educating people in your real estate industry on how you work, what you do, what areas you focus on, what property types, and if you're really actually focusing on buyers and sellers. So you have to find a way to build a big database. And this big database is basically where you take all the contacts that you have and you put it in one central location. Because this database is eventually your list that you're going to sell to in the future for many years. And the bigger this list, of course, the more possibility there is that your buyer will be in there. Great real estate professionals know that the bigger their database, the more likely they will find their buyers in the future. So if you don't have a database, if you don't have a contact list, that is probably the biggest reason why you don't get a lot of buyers today. So as you are building this contact list or your database, this is really where you want to educate them. You want to give them value, or what we call the VAM. VAM stands for value added marketing. You don't sell specifically, but you actually educate your contact list, your database, on everything that is relevant for them, what is valuable for them, what they need to know about the market, about the real estate, and also about you. Here you educate what is your specialty, what are you an expert in, what is it that they can call you day and night and get to ask you all the questions. As you are educating them, you are becoming part of their real estate system. You're becoming part of their real estate needs. And as they one day will wake up and realize that they need real estate, you will be the first one they think about. So make sure you educate your client, that you give them a lot of value up front before you actually ask them to buy with you or to sell with you. As you're educating your clients, sometimes you have to also make sure to ask them for something, because as you're asking them for something, they will be engaging with you and telling you what they actually want to hear or what they want to see. As they will give you the information, hey, I'm very interested in your content, but can you show me a little bit more of this or more of that? That engagement with your contact list and database is extremely important, because first of all, you pull out the people that are actually now really looking into real estate and you can engage with them a little bit more. The rest of your contact list or database doesn't mean that they are not looking into real estate. They're just not looking into real estate right now. Doesn't mean they will be looking into the future. So keep sending them valuable content, keep sending them a lot of education. But the people that you're engaging with right now, you ask them for two things. Do you like my content and what do you see more? And can I ask for any referrals? Because real estate is a referral business. Do you know anybody that is looking for real estate? Do you know anybody that wants to look at my services? And that's just really how you build your database bigger and bigger. Now that you have educated them and also asked them to give you some feedback or ask them for some referrals, make sure every now and then you also reward your contact list and database. Reward them with something new, with a surprise, and especially to the people that are actually sending you referrals, because people that sending you referrals are giving you business. So never forget to reward a referral, and don't only reward them once you get the deal done. No, immediately reward them. The moment they give you a new lead, that lead is extremely valuable to you. And people are actually just giving it to you. They're giving you a potential for you to close a deal, to make some money. So always reward that. And don't reward it too big. Something small like a coffee or a lunch or a book or anything you have that can be valuable to them, reward them with it. Don't forget to do this. Appreciate when people send you business. Looking all across the world of real estate professionals that have been in business more than 3 years, we know that they get 60% from their existing database, their existing contact list. So whatever you have to do next is just start building on that database. And then as a little recap of this video, first thing you do, educate them. Send them a lot of value. Educate them in how the real estate works. Educate them about the market. Educate them about you. Second thing, ask them for feedback. Ask them for what other information they want to hear, and ask them for referrals. And never ever forget that whenever they engage with you, reward them. Give them surprises. Make sure that you appreciate when they send you business, when they send you feedback. And whenever they are ready, they will be ready to contact you and start making some deals. Build your database as big as you can, and a lot of buyers will be in there to do business with you in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch future videos or our past videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.